When you've got leftover onion, this is a really nice way of using it up. So all I'm doing is going to be cutting it up and putting it into my bottle. So I've got it all sliced up. Obviously there's not an awful lot on this particular one, so I'm going to take an extra 2 onions because this never lasts very long. In my fridge it lasts probably 2 days, and then I've got to make more. So I've got all the onions cut up, and now I've just got a glass bottle. You can use any size bottle, but preferably a glass one. And then we're just going to put all the onions into the bottle. To that, add 1 teaspoon of salt. The salt just takes the bitterness out of the onions and makes them a little bit sweeter. I'm using double strength vinegar. Take a half a cup of vinegar and pour that in. And now we're just going to take some water and fill it up. And then just mix it together. Now this particular bottle takes 1 cup of water and half a cup of the vinegar. So now just test it to see that it's not too vinegary. So that's actually really, really nice. And then just put that in the fridge and eat with whatever you choose. It's absolutely wonderful.